welcome to part 2 of episode 3 of The Road to Japan. That's a lot of obs. Why did I say a lot of obs? But anyways, if you haven't watched part 1 of this, please do watch that because you will be completely lost in this. I'll be referring to part 1 of episode 3 so many times throughout this. But yeah, so the link for part 1 is in this. I'm already starting. So yeah, the link to part 1 of this is in the description. Just click on that and come back to this video after if you watched like episode 1 or part 1 of episode 3. So yeah, I'm gonna keep all the like mistakes in here because I am human and you just gotta like bear with me. Okay, it's bear with me. But yeah, and if you actually noticed in part 1, yes, I did get a haircut and I'm kind of enjoying this haircut. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool, I guess. Well, everyone says it's cool. I just think it's okay. Whatever. Okay, let's get into this video. I'm wasting time. But yeah, anyway, so basically, as I said in part 1, part 2 is gonna be all about like stuff that's gonna be necessary for you to answer / just build on all the stuff mentioned in part 1. Okay, so obviously saying hi is one thing. Asking people, not asking them, but just like telling them what time of the day it is, like morning, afternoon, evening, that's one thing. Asking people how they doing, answering that when they ask you like to like answer their own question, so much, right? So much. But I'm gonna go through like 9 things that you can actually like that actually helps you. So I'm gonna do the same little format for from part 1, same format, same everything. I will be repeating, so you'll get used to it, and I'll also explain if I have like analogies for it, I will use it. So yeah, okay, stop wasting time, Benjamin, let's do this. Number 1, okay, number 1 is genki, right? But this is genki with a question mark. You can say o genki desu ka, right? That's another way to say it, but for now we can keep it simple and just say genki, right? Question mark. My voice made a question mark there, and that basically says, well, it means how are you, right? So you'll ask a person, okay, so firstly you'll say konnichiwa, then you're gonna be like hajimemashite, and then you're gonna go into like genki or o genki desu ka, and then there'll be like 1 or 2 things. They can say genki desu, right, which means I'm good, or genki dayo, which means I'm also, well, it also means I'm good, but most people use genki dayo, in my opinion. I've seen a lot of people just use genki dayo. So that's number 2, genki dayo. And that's basically just adding dayo to the question, basically. And number 3 is actual emotion now. So number 3 just means so-so. So, no, so-so, okay, so-so, comma. So it is mama, not like mama, but like mama, which means so-so or not bad. So like you aren't really doing exceptionally good. You've seen better days, but it's not bad, you know, like it's just a boring day, I guess. That's basically how you should use it. And then number 4, the 4th one is mari yokunai, right? And that just means not great. So this is kind of like I'm pretty down today. So like yeah, it's not really like having a better day. Like you see, I just think too fast. Okay, so it doesn't mean like you're doing exceptionally bad, but it doesn't mean like you're doing exceptionally good either. So it's yeah, and obviously once you like just answer that, you're not just gonna like be like, okay, so I'm gonna walk away now. No, you're gonna ask them how are they doing. So in order to counter that, in order to actually ask them how they're doing, just say for number 5, anata wa? Question mark. Anata wa, right? And that just means what about you? So WBU, you know what I mean? So yeah, anata wa, right? And then they'll obviously answer. Now they'll answer with quite a few things. I think there's like 3 different ways or 4 different ways they can answer this. Number 6, right, which is one of the ways, is genki desu, arigato, which just means fine, thanks, you know what I mean, fine, thanks. And then you could actually say it first. So you could be like, they'll ask you, o genki desu ka? And then you'll be like, genki desu, arigato, anata wa? Right? So that just means they ask you how you doing, you'd be like, I'm fine, thanks, what about you? Beautiful, beautiful, right? And then they could also say for number 7, it is yurushi, right? Or yurushi, right? Because with the I, you have to kind of like drag it because it's the she and the actual E. So yeah, so that's yurushi, and that means happy. I'm doing happy. You can be totemo, yeah. Totemo yurushi. Ha! Woo! Finally. Like, I don't know why, but I suck at like filming early, so I'm kind of like, my brain's just confused today. But that's that, so that just means happy. So number 8 is also another emotion, and that emotion is kanashi, and that just means sad. So I'm sad. Kana. And the way to remember kanashi is ka, sounds like can't in a way. So like, I can't do this today. I actually fell back, oh my gosh. But yeah, that's how you remember it. Just be like, I can't do this today, so kanashi, right? That K was emphasized, wow. Oh, my throat's actually pretty dry right now. Let me get some water. But the last one, we get to the last one, is tsukareta, and that means tired, and that's just me right now. I am tired, my brain is tired, but I'm doing this for you. I'm doing this for the fam, and this is actually what happens. Obviously, like, people get tired, people don't want to do this, but boom, I'm here making this video, and surprisingly enough, we're actually done with this video. So if you need advice, please watch episode 1 if you haven't watched it already. Just skip to the back, like skip to the like way back. That I'll give you some advice right there to like overcome like the whole being tired of Japanese, just not feeling like you want to do Japanese today. And I actually have to be off and edit this video, probably also like talk to people on HelloTalk, which is my favorite app to use right now. If you haven't gotten HelloTalk, please do get it. The link will be in the description. If you want to talk to me on there, just search me up. My name is Benjamin Fundamerva. It'll pop up right now. Boom. Okay, just search me up, hit me up, and I'll talk to you. We can actually talk to each other in Japanese, so I can practice my Japanese, you can practice your Japanese, and we can just teach each other on there too. I don't mind, actually. So that's all from me, Benjamin, aka DJ Darkstar. Hope you enjoyed the heck out of this video. Konbano. Okay, wait, what time is it? I can't say konbanwa. What time is it? It's 6, so technically I can say konbanwa. Konbanwa. Sayonara.